purpose of this is that blue and golden gate to our left kept the animals on the island. We also have the bridge connecting the island of Djurgården with the mainland. And if you watch closely, you will see that the bridge is decorated with 4 statues, one in each corner of the bridge. And these statues display 4 of the gods of the Nordic mythology. Thor, Heimdall, Frigg and Freya. They are guarding the entrance to Djurgården. Also, Heimdall is very easy to recognize. He's there in the right-hand corner. He's holding his horn, ready to blow. I will tell you a story, a myth. It is said that each time a virgin walks over this bridge, Heimdall blows his horn. That's why it's so quiet here. Probably you're all wondering what type of vehicle it is you're sitting in. This is a Volvo truck that was bought from the factory here in Sweden. And then it was shipped over to the United States, where we have a man named John. And John has specialized in amphibious vehicles, so he also builds houseboats. And John picked this entire truck apart until the very last screw, and then he assembled everything back together again, adding a couple of things, such as the rudder in the back, and the propeller, and also this aluminum shell that we are sitting in. It's a single engine vehicle. It only has one engine of 250 horsepower. So when we were on land before, Palle was steering with the regular steering wheel, and then the engine was powering the wheels. And now when we're in the water, he can switch so that the engine starts powering the propeller instead. And then he will steer with the small joystick that he has on his left-hand side. The very common question is, what happens to the wheels when we are in the water? Kanske några av barnen har en bra gissning. Vad händer med hjulen när vi är i vattnet? Personally, I thought that they would fold into the car, like a James Bond vehicle. Would be cool. But the truth is, nothing happens to the wheels. They stay exactly where they are. But they get very clean. We claim to have Stockholm's cleanest bus wheels. So, the island of Djurgården is sometimes referred to as the Museum Island.